year, two, longer than you will ever want to. I can promise you that. It can be very frustrating. And that all you're going to get from me is you've seen me do it. You've heard me say it over and over again. I can rest comfortably. Anytime you're going to go backwards, bend that rear knee. And anytime you're going forward, you bend the front knee. And every time I've heard Ryan do a good job when he's teaching the box set, is he will make that announcement. He'll say, step forward, bend the front knee a notch, begin to shift your weight 1 inch, turn the waist. Those details, that's how you fix it. Go back and watch those mental meals over and over again, especially anytime I reference the box set. That's what we're doing. Any questions? The box set. We'll do the first set of the box set this evening because it's about that time. It's 5 till, and it'll take all 5 minutes just to do that. There's 3 ways that we will usually practice the fire set. Okay, the fire set. We'll usually practice as a box, as honey, and then we'll practice like a cloud. Now, the only reason we call it the fire set is because that's what it was called when Sifu was teaching it at the time. He usually just referred to it as the Sen Tien Wu Chi set. It's a basic set of Tai Chi, but your mindset on how to approach it. Ryan, why don't you pop up here with me? And then we'll do a box set of, do the first set, the fire set. We'll do it in a box style. Okay. So for some of you, I know that y'all may be a little bit more modern with the Tai Chi and like to start with your feet together and then pick up the toe. I can't remember how that. Oh, yeah. Put the heel up there and then spin it up and take it out. That's one way of checking for the width of your feet. Right. Sifu would always tell us to get them under your shoulders. If you need to measure it, fine. All right. Hands float. As you exhale, let everything settle down. And that's your first intention, right? Settle down like a buoy. Floating, sunk into the ocean just a little. Buoys don't sit on the ocean, they sit in the ocean. From here, we're going to hold the baby. We're doing the fire set, so y'all watch, you out here with me, watch Ryan. Those of you on TV, watch me. Step out with the foot, your left foot. Shift forward, parting horse's mane. Okay. Come up, hold the baby. Step out with the right foot, heel of the foot, ball of the foot. Bend the front knee. Shift the weight 1 inch. Begin to turn the waist. Then the hands begin to float. Turn the rear toe in with it. And then everything finishes together. From here, I just reach out into the pizza dough a little bit. Just like we were talking about. I bend the back knee, sit back a little, turn the waist, and I finish right in the posture we just spoke about. Spread your hands out a little bit, Kathy. This hand more down. There you go. Good. Now the rear hand floats up a little bit, comes down to the wrist. I put the foot back flat on the earth. I bend the front knee. I shift my weight a little, begin turning the waist. Good. Check myself in all directions. Wash the back of my hand. And we're going to walk the arms over the bridge. Bend the front knee. Walk your arms back over. Down and out is your intention. Down and out. 45 degrees. That's a good place to start. Okay, from here, be patient. Just roll the arms as if you're holding onto a tree. Hold the moon. Bend the rear knee. Begin to sit back. Just sit straight back. You want to be poised here. Your rear end shouldn't be jutted out. top of your head over your tailbone, good and poised. All right, here we go. What you do is turn the spine, turn it, and the foot comes with it, Kathy. There you go, comes with it. When it won't turn any further, put the foot flat, shift your weight over, and then relax that side, and it will naturally unwind to the corner. Your toe is down here. Now, we could spend 15 to 20 minutes here and doing a nice set of posting, but we won't do that. Open the shower curtains. Spread them out. Which is exactly what I was showing you earlier when I was introducing this to you. Now take the left foot, step out, heel of the foot, ball of the foot, bend the front knee. Begin to shift your weight 1 inch. Then start turning your waist. Turn the rear toe in with it. And then finish the intention with the torso. Feel good. Then you reach out into the pizza dough and roll the hand. Bend the rear knee and begin to sit back as a unit. Bring everything back. That front toe or front foot may come in a little bit. That's fine. Think about that intent we spoke about. Pulling them into the earth. The rear hand's going to float a little bit and come to rest onto that wrist. I'm going to step out a little bit again with my forward foot, flat on the earth, bend the knee, begin to shift the weight, then turn it. Good. Stay right there. Is everybody good? It's pretty hot out here, so I'm asking them because we're all sweating it out pretty good. All right. Wash the back of your hand. Remember now, bend the back knee just a notch. You'll feel your weight start to come with it. Walk the arms over the bridge, down to the heart. Good. Then push into the earth. Walk the arms back over the bridge, down and out, 45 degrees. Good. Sitting back. I want you to turn, push the sky. Step out, gather the clouds. That's it. Stand up in a cross hand. Bring the foot in, back underneath you. Press the arms toward the earth, your head toward the sky, and finish a good night's practice. Whew. Everybody good?
Good, Sifu. Thank you.
Yeah. Was that about like enough information?
Oh, yes.
I love it. Too short. We need to go for $20. Here's one. Here's. I love this stuff, but it flashed on me an old message from this guy named Sifu Tim. Begins and ends in the belly button. So does your movement.
Yes. Yeah, that's good. Remember that one. Yes. Bruce said he found an old note, which basically is most of the motions are going to be dictated to begin and end with your belly button, knowing where it starts and knowing where it finishes. The problem you'll have is that you got to get these damn things out of the way. That's why the formless form, I practiced for the longest time with my hands right in front of my belly button. So I would know exactly where it was so I could step out, turn, right? And I knew exactly where it was going to be. And, you have to find ways for yourself to practice. But tonight's practice was mostly so that you could take a couple of pieces and really know how to practice those in detail, whether you've been practicing for 20, 30 years or practicing for 1 or 2 years. They don't change. All right. You don't have to. One of the things, if you're learning with me, is that you'll go from healthier versions, wellness versions of Tai Chi to one day saying, hey, I'd like to know how to use it, and you won't have to change a thing. You don't have to learn some other set special. We'll adjust timing. We may refine your intent, but we will not have to change what you've learned so far. Okay. All right. Love y'all. Take care of yourself, and we'll
Thank
see you soon.
Sifu.
Yeah.